All right, we are parked in the Victory ramp, but as far as elevators go,
it's not very
we're
exciting.
not going to have a Victory here.
Look, no trespassing. Well, we're patrons. We're parked here. So let's go look at it. Look at that. There's a burger bar. We want you to enjoy St. Paul.
Yeah.
Do you think we enjoyed St. Paul today?
It was okay, except for that stupid security guard. Are we going to have a Victory on the elevator?
I don't know. Let's go find out. Is it vintage or is it modern? knowing the trends.
Every St. Paul parking garage.
Every parking garage in all of like Minneapolis and Minnesota. I wonder what's in here. Oh.
Oh wow, look at this.
We're not. Innovation Bruiser. Do you know why? Do you want to know why it's called a bruiser? I'll show you why it's called bruiser, because when you see them, you get so angry you want to punch a wall and you get a bruise on your fist.
All right, let's enjoy this. Here going to be
basement. Going up.
This is about as exciting as it gets. Go to 3.
Floor 8. Going down.
All right, can I go over there?
Yeah.
Here we go to 3. And there's Jason waving at the camera. Are you waving at the camera?
Yeah.
Floor 3.
And here we are. All right, he has to place the button.
Not very exciting.
So we don't get the lock doors closed right around.
But that was not very exciting.
Where's the car?
Hidden away up this way, somewhere. So, I guess we'll show the car.
Yeah, where is it?
We have to go up a half level. It's like on 3.5. There it is. There's the golf cart.
Yeah, it's right up there.
Cool. All right. Well, that was exciting, wasn't it?
Yeah,
That'll be it.